Hey guys. Hey guys. This is my first video using this little buddy. I'm very excited. As you can see, my face is extremely greasy. This is like after a day of wearing makeup. I'm going to be trying this Revolution Hydra Cool baking powder cooling effect with hyaluronic acid. I saw this yesterday online and I ordered it last night. This is the coolest powder I've ever seen. When you touch it, it feels wet. It's very, very, very weird to describe. And I didn't understand it until I watched the video yesterday, but then until I'm touching it right now. So let's see how this takes care of shine. We'll start here. I don't know how I feel about that. Or maybe I'm using the wrong. Wow. This really feels extremely cool and wet on the skin. I don't know. Is this doing anything? I still feel kind of really shiny. And it's crazy because my skin feels wet. I don't know. Wow. Okay, I mean, let's finish brushing this one. I'm not really sure that it's mattifying anything or like refreshing the makeup. Actually, it might be. But I think if only to feel this cooling sensation, I would buy it. I mean, does this side look better? I mean, I didn't put anything there. Let's put something there. Actually, I kind of think like, yeah, it's a little more put together. All right. I don't know. If only for the fact that this is like the coolest feeling powder I've ever tried, I would try it again. And obviously, look, my skin is jacked up. Let's do. This is the weirdest feeling literally ever. The powder feels wet. Like I feel like I'm dragging liquid over my face, which I think is so freaking cool, really. I'm kind of not touching the blush area, so I feel like it's not very. I don't know. What do you think? Let's see if I have like another kind of fluffy brush. Not really. My brushes are kind of dirty right now. This is not the best. Let's try this one. Hold on, please. Asmer ASMR. Asmer. 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 Okay, you know what? I think this powder was like $6. I would say buy it just so you can try it. Technically, this is supposed to be like a baking powder. I didn't use that today. I used it more like a setting translucent powder. I do think it like reduces the shine. And in a way kind of refreshes your makeup. And pay attention to my eyebrows. They're a little bushy. Little bushy. Do I have a brush here? Of course not. Why would I? you know? Okay, whatever. So for now, I do kind of think it refreshed my makeup. I would give this for $6. Would I use this again? Absolutely. Am I going to probably use it to completion? Also, yes. The sensation alone that putting this on your skin provides, I think, is worth the $6. Now, is this probably full of weird ingredients? Maybe. But it does say that it's makeup setting powder for hydrated skin, enriched with hyaluronic acid. It's vegan and cruelty free. So, whatever that means for you. Okay? Um, I would try it. Give it a try. $6, $7 on Amazon. I overnighted it. Not mad at it. Asthma.